Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on PS5 online. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console has a reliable internet connection, ideally wired for stability. Next, you will need an active PlayStation Plus membership, which is essential for accessing any online multiplayer modes. Finally, always check that your FIFA game is updated to its most recent version to ensure smooth gameplay and access to all current features. These 3 steps are crucial before diving into online matches. Once your setup is complete, head to the Play tab within FIFA main menu to discover various online modes. You can dive into Ultimate Team to craft your dream squad and challenge players globally, or try online seasons for competitive ranked matches. For a team-based experience, Pro Clubs lets you and up to 21 friends control individual players on a single team. Each mode offers a unique way to enjoy online competition. To excel in online FIFA, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the training arena mastering skill moves and refining your defensive tactics. It is also vital to understand your chosen team's unique strengths and weaknesses to apply effective strategies during matches. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection to prevent frustrating lag. Finally, adjust your controller settings to perfectly match your personal play style for maximum comfort and control. Playing FIFA with friends adds another layer of fun to the online experience. You can easily invite friends directly from your PlayStation 5 party chat to join your game. Many online modes allow you to create private matches, ensuring you play specifically with your chosen companions. For a dedicated team experience, form or join a pro club with up to 21 other players. Remember to utilize in-game voice chat or the PS5 party chat for seamless communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.